You're watching livingpianos.com. I'm Robert Estrin with a really interesting observation. What are there 2, 3, and 4 of in music? Now, those of you who are music theory aficionados, you might want to stop right now, pause it, and see if you can figure out what the heck I'm talking about. All right, what are there 2 of? I could actually start with what is there 1 of? I never thought of that. What is there 1 of? A chromatic scale. It doesn't matter where you start or stop, it's all the same. Which brings us to what are there 2 of? There are 2, believe it or not, only 2 different whole tone scales. Watch. Go up a half step. Go up one more half step. You're back to the first one again. See that? So I think you see where I'm going with this. So what are there 3 of? There are only 3 different diminished 7th chords. What's a diminished 7th chord? A diminished 7th chord is a chord built all with minor thirds. That is 3 half steps apart. So we build the first one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you do one more, 1, 2, 3, it's the same chord. That's your diminished 7th chord. Go up a half step. You have another one. That's the second one. One more. That's the third one. Now you get to the next one. You're back to the first one again. So there's 1 chromatic scale, 2 whole tone scales, 3 diminished 7th chords. So you probably see the pattern here, right? So what are there 4 of? There are only 4 different augmented triads. What are augmented triads? Augmented triads are chords containing 2 major thirds. Major thirds are a total of 4 half steps, as follows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1. Go another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you got the same note. Go up a half step. There's your second one. There's your third one. And here's your 4th one. And you go to 1 more, you're back to your first one. Interesting patterns. Did you ever realize that before? The 1, 2, 3, and 4 of music. This is what it's all about. And I wonder if anybody else has any observations of, could we go further? I didn't even think about this for this video. If you would. Fourths. I don't know. Are there 4 of these? 5 of these? My mind is spinning now. If any of you have any way of going further with this 1, 2, 3, 4 of music, leave it in the comments here at livingpianos.com. I'm interested. I'm going to, after this, I shoot this video, I'm going to start thinking about this. And maybe I'll leave it in the description if I come up with any epiphanies of more patterns like this in music. I hope this is interesting for you. Again, I'm Robert Estrin. You're watching livingpianos.com, your online piano store. See you next time.